Hello guys and welcome back to GhostTech. Today we will learn how to record PC screen using Filmora. After you opened Filmora, go to File, Record Media, then Record PC Screen, then you have options about your recording. You have microphone recording, audio recording and camera recording. Then you have more recording options like FPS, video name, video location, quality and hotkeys. Also you can choose full screen recording, custom screen and target window. That's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more.